it's Liz from Old Staples Craft and welcome to a reveal of the new online exclusive papers. Let me flip the camera down and you can have a look. Well, actually all you can see at the moment is some grey board. Anywho, so this is the silver and gold adhesive backed glimmer paper. So there are 5 papers that are on the online exclusive. Some of them go with items in the mini catalogue. So these are the gold and silver, very sparkly. But the big thing about them is that they are, she says, trying to find a corner, they are, come on, self-adhesive. So really great for die cutting. Now obviously you can make your own self-adhesive paper by sticking the double-sided adhesive sheets to the back, but we don't currently have glimmer paper. Have now, and it's self-adhesive. So 1 sheet of gold, 1 sheet of silver, really lovely. So pleased we've got some glimmer paper for Christmas. Right, this is Tartan Foil. It comes in Copper Clay, Lost Lagoon and Pebbled Path. So let me show you this. You get 6 pieces and they're gorgeous. So you get small check on one side and a larger diagonal check on the other side. So those 2 are the Pebbled Path. They're like pewter. They are gorgeous. Then we have Lost Lagoon, which are beautiful. And then we have Copper Clay. Again, really pretty. This is the sort of paper that you only need a small amount on a project to make a huge difference to your project. So some stamping with a little strip of this behind would look lovely. So that's the tartan foil. This is called Delightful Floral, and you've probably already guessed that it goes with the translucent floral stamp set bundle. So let me open this up, and it is gorgeous. Now some of the images you can die cut with the dies. Colours, let me give you the colours. Berry Burst, Blackberry Bliss, Bubble Bath, Calypso Coral, Fresh Freesia, Lemon Lolly, Parakeet Party, Pool Party and Pretty Peacock. And it's kind of watercolour-esque, so it's like it's run. It's beautiful. A wash with a small-ish pattern on. Then this is a wash of Pool Party. It is beautiful. Brilliant for scrapbooking. Really vibrant. This is Lemon Lolly, Parakeet Party, and I think Pretty Peacock. Berry Burst, I'm thinking, watercolour background with larger pieces. If you're into fussy cutting, definitely. Is Calypso Coral in this? I think I said it was, so that will be, or is it Cajun Craze? Ooh, Calypso Coral. So, yeah, lovely Calypso Coral watercolour. Very small background, so lovely as a background piece. Pretty Peacock with more of those lovely leaves. And Berry Burst with the pattern that we've got at the front. So really, really lovely to use. So that's that paper. Then this is, I want to say, the Traditions of St. Nicholas. No, it's Traditions of St. Nick. We've got Cajun Craze, Cherry Cobbler, Copper Clay, Early Espresso, Mossy Meadow, Pebble Path, Real Red and Wild Wheat. Can't get my mouth around them. The bundle, the St. Nicholas bundle, die cuts some of these images. We've got a lovely kind of damask finish here with stockings, with fur-topped stockings. Again, another sort of damask finish with holly. More, this is a larger damask with a little dot pattern on it as well, and we've got cherry cobbler sketch of fireside and, you know, Christmas. This is gorgeous. This is I want to say pecan pie. Did I say pecan pie was in it? But it's not. Oh, it's early espresso. In that case, it's a pale, oh no, copper clay. Copper clay, again, damask with letterboxes, all sorts of styles of letterboxes and letters. Then the last one, which is a really interesting mix of cherry cobbler and real red, and it kind of works, is with the St. Nicholas on the front. So really fun, and as I say, goes with the bundle. Shining Christmas. We've got cherry cobbler and mossy meadow, and it is shiny. So let me take it out of its background. So one side is flat, as in not shiny, and the other side is foiled. So let me show you from the foiled side. We've got, it's just cherry cobbler and mossy meadow from a colour palette. So we've got Christmas trees. Can I get the shine? The whole of the paper is shiny, but the red really pops. So we've got a cross stitch with candy canes. Again, the whole of the sheet is shiny, but the images pop. A random dot pattern with holly and holly berries. So pretty. Decorations with an argyle check. Strings of lights with a not straight candy cane stripe, just sort of like stars, icons with parcels, and then the final one is this kind of herringbone, that's the word I'm looking for, pattern with the trees. So really, really pretty. I filmed this video a few days ago, and when I checked, all of the papers are still available because these are while stocks last. So yeah, fill your boots, as they say. So great time to start getting ready for Christmas with some Christmas projects. So I hope you enjoyed seeing those. It's always nice to see what the papers look like a bit more close up. Obviously their details are on the website, but it's not quite the same. And of course, if you look at the website, you'll see projects and things like that. So thank you very much indeed for joining me. Very quick video for today. And I will look forward to seeing you for a project-based video very soon. Bye for now.